life, living the life. Live Life Expo.
Nikki's Theater and Fab Rebecca Moore present Live Life Expo, celebrating families in our community, Saturday, June 25th at the Simeon Alumni Village, located at 820 West 89th Street in Chicago, Illinois. The purpose of this expo is to enlighten, re-inspire, and rejuvenate. This event will take place from 12 noon to 4 p.m. and will consist of numerous wellness workshops regarding meditation, self-esteem, nutritional facts, the latest fashion trends, and more. Guests will also have the pleasure of enjoying live entertainment, healthy foods, refreshments, a complimentary massage, and affordable shopping. Tickets are $15 in advance and $20 at the door. They can also be purchased online via Nikki.biz, Neke.biz.
For additional information regarding the Keys Theater Company, please visit the website at neke.biz. And for additional information regarding Fab Vet More, please visit the website at FABABECAMOUR.com.
Awareness in your mind, body, and soul. June 25th, 2011. Living the life, living the life. Oh, Living Life Expo. Oh, yeah, yeah. Living Life Expo. It's a Live Life Expo. Living the life, living the life. Live Life Expo. Wow. It's a